Good afternoon, everybody. Let us just see if the life is starting. And yes, it's starting. Happy Freedom Friday, everyone. It's so wonderful to have you here today. But let's talk honestly. In today's economy, jobs are uncertain, prices are rising, debt is increasing, and retirements are often too small. Many people are doing their best, but they are still stressed. And here's the truth. A salary only lasts while you are working, and security comes from assets and recurring income. Your employer can restructure, your company can close, your health can change, but financial freedom comes from when your income does not depend on your time only. Today we are discussing the topic, your salary is not security. Here's how to build real financial freedom in South Africa. But first, let me quickly introduce myself. For those who don't know me yet, I'm Lynette Barnard from Van der Bijlpark, and for more than 10 years, I've been helping everyday South Africans learn how to build recurring income online in a simple, ethical, and sustainable way. I help entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals create recurring income without selling a thing so that they can live life on their own terms. But welcome to my regulars. Welcome, Magda. Yeah, we are working so hard. Magda and Belinda and Peter and all the others, welcome on board. Now, if you haven't grabbed my freebie yet, I've created a free guide. No time, no money, no problem. It shows exactly the simple steps I use to start building recurring income online. Grab it here on https://go.lynettebarnard.com/no-time. I spell my name LINNETTEBADENHORST.com /no-time. If you're watching the replay or if you're watching live, type no time in the comments and I'll send it for free to you. Today's topic is very close to my heart because it affects almost every South African family. And me and my husband were two people who were both retrenched 29 years ago, and neither of us could find jobs in the formal sector again. So I know what I'm talking. We are now almost longer unemployed than we were employed and are still economically active using the Dew Point Wealth Creation System. Before we start, I want you to think about something. If your salary stopped tomorrow, what would you fall back on? If your salary stopped tomorrow, what would you fall back on? Today I want to show you why salary income is not security. It's an income, but definitely not security. You can lose it at any time. Most of us were taught, go to school, get a job, work for 40 years, retire someday, and then your boss will take care of you. But nobody taught us how money really works. Real financial stability comes from multiple income streams, recurring income, good financial habits, and long-term planning. This is not about quitting your job. It's about building something alongside your salary. Because your salary pays your bills, but recurring income builds your future. Now, honestly, let's talk about why this conversation matters so much in South Africa. Because our situation is unique. We live in a country with incredible people, talent and heart, but also real economic pressure. Unemployment is high. Many people are working contract jobs. Some are overqualified and still struggling to find work. And even when people do have a job, one salary often supports many people. You might be helping your parents, children, grandchildren, brothers or sisters, someone who lost their job. That's our culture of love and responsibility. And it's beautiful. But financially, it can be very heavy. One income becomes stretched across 5 or 6 lives. So even a good salary can feel like it disappears before month end. Can anyone relate to that? Drop a heart in the comments if you know what I mean. Then we look at rising costs. Groceries go up, fuel goes up, electricity goes up. Medical costs can suddenly hit you with thousands of rands, and medical aid is expensive. But without going, it's risky. You can't live without the medical aid, but it is expensive. One illness, one incident, one emergency, and a family's finances can collapse overnight. I can name you different situations or a lot of people who suffered from that. And that's why relying on one income is so dangerous. Not because we're doing something wrong, because the world has changed. Then we look at the interest rates. When rates rise, people with car loans, home loans, or credit cards suddenly pay much more. The same salary, but higher expenses. And stress enters the home. Marriages suffer, sleep suffers, peace disappears. Money pressure is one of the biggest causes of anxiety in families. And nobody teaches us how to deal with it. So, what do most people do? They wait. They wait for a better job. They wait for a promotion. They wait for the government to change things. They wait for the perfect opportunity. But waiting is risky, because while we wait, inflation keeps moving, debt keeps growing, time keeps passing, and retirement gets closer. Instead of waiting for one big miracle, we can start building small, consistent income streams. Not overnight riches, not hype, just steady progress. 100 rand here, 500 rand there, then 1,000, then more over time. Small streams combine into real stability, just like drop of rain fills a dam. That's why I love teaching recurring income, because ordinary people, teachers, nurses, admin staff, small business owners can start small and grow over time. Inside a structured and regulated system like Dewpoint, which has operated for more than 10 years and has paid out more than 50 million rand to their own members based on actual activity. People can build step by step without needing big capital upfront. No promises, no guarantees, just effort, consistency, and learning. And that's something we can control. Financial freedom in South Africa doesn't come from luck. It comes from learning new skills, building an additional income, reducing debt, staying consistent, and most importantly, believing that your situation can change, because it can, one step at a time. What extra income stream would give you peace of mind right now? Type it in the comments. Even 1,000 rand extra, what would it change for you? I know how it feels to get that extra 1,000 rand you desperately need. Type it in the comments. Because real change starts with real conversations. So waiting for one big opportunity is risky. Instead, we can build it step by step. Small, consistent income streams grow into a stability over time. But let's look at what real financial freedom is. Slow down for a moment, because when people hear the words financial freedom, they often picture mansions, luxury cars, or becoming a millionaire overnight. But that's not real freedom, and it's definitely not the starting point. Real financial freedom is not about being rich overnight. It's about being stable. It's about being prepared. It's about being calm. It means when your phone rings unexpectedly, your heart doesn't drop because you're afraid it's another bill or another person who wants some money. It means when month end comes, you're not moving money around desperately trying to survive. It means you can breathe. First, you can pay your bills without panic. This is the first level of freedom. Not luxury, not wealth, just stability. Your rent or bond is covered. Your electricity is paid. Groceries are sorted. School fees are handled. There's no scrambling, no borrowing from Peter to pay Paul. That alone changes the emotional atmosphere in a home. Because money stress affects everything. Your sleep, your health, your relationships, your confidence. When your bills are covered calmly, your mind is clearer. And when your mind is clear, you make better decisions. That's freedom. Next, you have emergency savings. Emergency are not if, they are when. Car repairs, medical issues, unexpected travel, job insecurity or uncertainty. Financial freedom means you have a buffer. Even if you just put 3 months of expenses saved, that cushion changes how you show up in life. You are no longer operating from fear. You are operating from preparation, and preparation creates confidence. Next, you are reducing debt. Debt is one of the biggest chains holding people back, especially high interest debt. When you start reducing debt consistently, something powerful happens. You create momentum. Every payment reduces pressure. Every payment increases control. You stop working only to pay interest. You start working to build asset. That shift is huge. Freedom grows every time your debt shrinks. Next, you are building recurring income. Now, this is where it becomes exciting, because real financial freedom isn't only about cutting costs. It's about increasing income in a sustainable way. Recurring income means money that continues to come in over a time based on systems you've built. Not once-off hustles, not chasing constantly, but structured income that grows as you stay consistent. That's why platforms like DewPoint focus on recurring income inside a regulated financial services environment. It's not about overnight success. It's about building month after month. And over time, those recurring streams can become strong enough to cover your car payment, cover your groceries, eventually cover major expenses, step by step. Not hype, not promises, just progression. Next, you have peace of mind. This is the real goal, peace. Financial freedom means you don't fear month end. You don't fear the economy. You don't fear unexpected expenses the way you used to. It doesn't mean you'll never face challenges. It means you're stronger when you do. You've built resilience into your finances, and that creates emotional freedom too. It's freedom from fear. Fear of losing your job, getting sick, not retiring comfortably, being a burden on your children. Financial freedom removes layers of fear over time. Not instantly, but progressively. And every layer removed gives you more confidence. It's freedom to choose. This is the beautiful part. Freedom means you can say no to opportunities that drain you. You can say yes to opportunities that align with you. You can take a day off without panic. You can help family without collapsing your own finances. Maybe you don't want to retire early. Maybe you love what you do. But wouldn't it feel different knowing you don't have to? Choice is power, and financial freedom gives you options. Let me ask you something. If you had your bills covered, 3 to 6 months savings, declining debt, growing recurring income, how would you feel? Calmer? More confident? More hopeful? That's what we are building. Not overnight wealth, but long-term stability. Because real financial freedom isn't flashy. It's steady. It's structured. It's intentional. And it's absolutely possible. One consistent step at a time. Financial freedom is not about being rich overnight. It's freedom to choose. But let's look at how recurring income works. Recurring income means you do the work once and get paid repeatedly over time as long as the service continues. Examples people understand is rental property, royalties, subscription services. But those options often need big capital, and that's why many South Africans are looking at licensed financial platforms that allow them to build recurring income in a structured and regulated way by promoting products people already need. These platforms create the opportunity to earn recurring income over time based on your effort, consistency, and results, not guarantees. I personally work through a platform called DealPoint, which has been operating for more than 10 years and has paid out more than 50 million rand to its own members. Like anything worthwhile, it takes learning, patience, and consistent action, but it can grow into a meaningful additional income stream over time. It operates inside South Africa's financial regulatory framework under the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, which means transparency, rules, and consumer protection. And that's important because we must always work ethically and legally. Let me be very clear. Results are not guaranteed. Income depends on effort and time. This is not financial advice, and everyone should do their own research. My goal is education, to show possibilities and help people make informed decisions. But your first step to security, that's it. Sometimes people ask me, Lynette, where do I even start? I feel overwhelmed. And the truth is, financial security doesn't come from one big decision. It comes from 5 small habits done consistently. Let's walk through them together. First, tracking your spending. This sounds simple, but it's powerful. You cannot fix what you cannot see. Most people don't actually know where their money goes. Little expenses add up. Coffee here, takeaways there, subscriptions you forgot about, small card swipes every day. And at the end of the month, the money is gone and you don't know where it's gone. Tracking your spending is not about guilt, it's about awareness. When you track for just 30 days, you start seeing patterns. You see what is essential. You see what is emotional spending. You see what can be adjusted. And suddenly, you feel back in control. Even saving 500 Rand per month is a victory because that's the beginning of stability. Secondly, reduce high interest debt. Debt is expensive, especially credit cards, store cards, and personal loans. Those interest rates can quietly keep you stuck for years. You owe 10 Rand and you might pay back 18,000, you might own 10,000 Rand, but you pay back 18,000 Rand or more over time. That's money that could have been building your future. So, start small. Pay extra on the highest interest debt first. Celebrate each account you lose, and close, that I mean by lose, close them. Every payment reduces pressure. Every payment increases freedom. You're not paying debt, you're buying peace. Thirdly, build emergency savings. This is one of the biggest stress relievers in life. Emergencies will happen, no matter what. Car repairs, medical needs, unexpected travel, temporary job loss. An emergency fund protects your dignity. Even 5,000 saved is a start. Then 10,000. Then 1 month of expenses. Then 3 months. Personally, I started with a tax-free investment product and also included some cover on my own life. It helped me build a small additional income stream over time. After more than 10 years, I can honestly say I have an emergency fund that helps me if I need money. And that's peace of mind is priceless. Products like tax-free savings accounts are available through licensed providers in South Africa and can be part of a long-term plan when used responsibly. But the principles is the same. It's simple. Prepare before the storm. Dig the well before you need the water. Number 4, starting a small recurring income stream. This is where your future really begins to change, because cutting costs alone cannot create freedom. You also need income that grows over time. Recurring income can start small, very small. Maybe it covers groceries first, then your car payment, then bigger expenses later. I personally learned to build recurring income step by step through Dewpoint, which operates inside South Africa's regulated financial services environment. We don't give promises. There's no overnight success, just consistent effort. And over the past 10 years, with patience, I've seen how small recurring income streams can grow into real stability. That's something anyone can work towards with commitment. And number 5, stay consistent for 12 to 24 months. This is the hardest part because we live in a world of instant results. People don't realize that real financial changes takes time. Think of planting a tree. You don't water it once and expect fruit tomorrow. You water it weekly, you protect it, you stay patient, and one day it grows strong. Consistency beats excitement. Excitement starts things, but consistency finishes them. You don't need perfection. You don't need to know everything. You just need to keep going, month after month. Let me ask you, which of these 5 steps can you start this week? Not next year, not when things are perfect, this week. Because small actions today become big freedom tomorrow. You're not behind. You're not too late. You are just one decision away from starting your journey to real security. If you haven't grabbed it yet, I've created my free guide, No Time, No Money, No Problem. It shows you the exact simple steps I use to start building recurring income online. And you can grab it on https://go.lynnettebarnels.com. No time, no dash time. If you're watching live or the replay, type in No Time in the comments and I'll send it for free. If you're on the replay, drop the replay so that I can say hi to you later on. If you enjoy these Freedom Friday sessions, head over to my channel on YouTube, Lynnette's Wealth Mastery. I share weekly tips about recurring income, debt reduction, and financial confidence. And of course, feel free to like, follow, and share this live on Facebook so that more people can learn about it. Before we end today, I want you to think about something deeper than money. Because this conversation is not really about rands and cents. It's about your life. It's about your family. Close your eyes for a moment, if you can. Imagine your life 5 years from now. You're not stressed about month end. Your bills are covered. You have savings. Your income is growing steadily. This is calm in your home. There is laughter again. There is peace. That's what financial freedom really looks like. Not luxury, not stability, not showing off, but sleeping peacefully. Think about your family. Who are you doing this for? Your children, your parents, your grandparents? Maybe you want to pay for education. Maybe you want to help your parents to retire comfortably. Maybe you want to break the cycle of debt in your family. So, the next generation don't start from zero again. That's legacy. Legacy is not only what you leave behind when you're gone. Legacy is what you build while you are here. The habit you teach, the discipline you show, the example you set. When your children see you budgeting, saving, building income, they learn confidence. They learn responsibility. They learn possibility. And that is priceless. Think about your impact. When you are financially stable, you can help others without hurting yourself. You can give, you can support, you can uplift. And in a country like South Africa, that matters so much. Because when one family becomes stable, a whole community becomes stronger. Financial freedom is not selfish, it's empowering. Your dreams matter too. Maybe your dream is simple. More time with your family, less stress, a small holiday once a year, a hobby business, a peaceful retirement. Or maybe your dream is big, starting a foundation, building a business, helping hundreds of people. Whatever your dream is, you deserve the chance to build it. And recurring income is one of the tools that make those dreams realistic. Not instant, not guaranteed, but possible with effort and consistency. That's why I've spent more than 10 years helping people learn to build step by step inside a structured system like DuPont, and where ordinary people can start small and grow over time in a regulated environment. Because dreams need structure, dreams need discipline, dreams need patience. One decision changes everything. Your life doesn't change overnight. It changes when you make one decision to learn, to start, to stay consistent. You don't need to know everything today. You don't need to have a perfect plan. You just need the courage to begin now. Let me ask you one last question. If nothing changes, where will you be in the next 5 years? And then ask yourself, what small step can you take today to change the future? Because your future is not decided by luck. It's decided by daily choices. You are not too late. You are not too old. You are not too inexperienced. You are exactly on time to start building your freedom, step by step, month by month, year by year. And one day you will look back and realize you didn't just change your finances. You changed your family's future. You changed your legacy. Thank you for spending this Freedom Friday with me. You matter. Your dreams matter. Your future matters. I'm honored to walk this journey with you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, a salary pays your bills. Recurring income builds your freedom. Start where you are. Stay consistent and let it grow step by step. Your journey to financial independence begins with one decision. Make that decision today, and I know I'm here to walk you the journey with you. Until next Friday, Freedom Friday, stay motivated, stay consistent, and remember, build once, earn over time. Bye for now.